Welcome to AWS and DevOps, my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to take the backup in Jenkins. What is the importance of take the backup? Here we are using two plugins are using in Jenkins. One is ThinBackup Plugin and another one is Backup Plugin. This is ThinBackup Plugin and Backup Plugin. So we are discussing about these plugins. So here some of the few points it will rise. Do not take the backup. So if you take the backup, what will happen? If if suddenly server will crash or system fails, we lose all our jobs. Backups helps to recover everything, and also Jenkins will store all our jobs, plugins, pipelines, and settings. If they are deleted or broken, we'll need to redo all our works. That means doing it again from the beginning. So backup, it will help to recollect it. And also if any plugins and Jenkins updates issue may cause problems, if we have backup, we can easily go back to the working version. Migration to new server, if we shift Jenkins to new server, a backup helps you move all settings and jobs easily. So few points. What is the backup? It will recovery. That means all job configurations and build history, plugin settings, Jenkins main configuration files, credential and user data. So I'm trying to explain two plugins. One is ThinBackup plugin and another is Backup plugin. So ThinBackup plugin specially designed to backup job configuration, plugins and system configuration. Backup can be scheduled daily or hourly. Restore from UI means we can bring back our old backup just by clicking button inside Jenkins. No need to write any commands. You can do it fully from the browser. Files typically, that means if you go to the Jenkins server, ThinBackup plugin, just by clicking only we can restore the everything. We can do it fully from the browser. Option to execute builds to history and jobs and directory, and also another plugin Jenkins backup plugin. So this backup plugin comprehensive than ThinBackup plugin. It can be integrated into jobs or pipelines for custom backup logic. It consumes more storage and time. So it will collect entire the Jenkins backup home directory. So I'm trying to explain the difference between Jenkins ThinBackup plugin and Jenkins backup plugin. So Jenkins ThinBackup plugin, it is used for regular configuration backup only, and Jenkins backup plugin, it can be fully disaster recovery. It compression means there is no zip file, and in the Jenkins backup plugin, it is possible to zip a tar file. We can move the backup everything to new server, and also restores Jenkins UIS. UI means user interface. That means by clicking only it can be possible. No need to write any commands. Just by clicking only we can take the backup. Usually this ThinBackup used for builds and logs only, and backup plugin usually large backups. So this is the difference. So I will show you next session how to install the ThinBackup plugin and backup plugin. How to take the backup, I will explain. Thank you. Thanks for watching.